Hey guys, today we're celebrating our 3,000 likes that we reached on our Facebook page.
Shoots definitely don't go as planned. I mean, you start one way with an idea. I got rid of the twinkly lights in the background and I simplified the shot. I still had the fog, I still had the confetti, but in the end it was about the dress and the girl. And those shots came a lot more classic than when I started junking it up, putting like two different styles of dresses with lights in the background. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be finding confetti for the next few years in the studio.